Welcome to the course BigQuery for Conversion Rate Optimization. My name is Jos Onderdijk and I'm a data insights expert at Online Dialogue, and I will guide you through this course. Online Dialogue is an agency of about 25 colleagues from the Netherlands. We help our clients by optimizing their website, webshop, or app. We are pioneers and thought leaders in online optimization, and our mantra is validation in every organization. We try to validate new and existing ideas through different methods of research and experiments. For this, we use a combination of data and psychology to get to evidence-based growth. Within the CRO landscape, we distinguish 5 elements: strategy and culture, goals and scope, teams and expertise, tooling and technology, and process and methodology. This course is going to be about BigQuery, which means it will be part of the element of tooling and technology. Even though BigQuery can be used for all different kind of reasons, we will focus on how to use it for your CRO program. Using BigQuery for CRO program means that most of the time it is used to analyze A/B test results, but it can also be used, for example, to conduct a funnel analysis. Experimenting is an important part of a CRO program. That's why we will focus on BigQuery. With the introduction of Google Analytics 4, being able to work with BigQuery has become a very important skill for data analysts like myself. Within this course, we will take a closer look what the data model of GA4 looks like, and therefore what we can expect the data to look like in BigQuery, and how to link GA4, our main analytics program, to BigQuery. We will dive into some basic SQL. As can be seen in the pyramid of evidence, conducting A/B tests results in a lower risk of decision compared to other methods. To be able to get reliable results, we need reliable data. This is where BigQuery or any other data warehouse comes into play. It gives us access to the raw data, and with this comes the exact numbers. BigQuery is used because it's a data warehouse connected to the Google Suite and therefore easily connects to Google Analytics. There are a couple of other analytics programs and data warehouses that could be used, but we see that the majority of companies use the Google Suite. How to get A/B test results into BigQuery and Google Analytics 4, but also how to automate and monitor test data in Google Sheets and Looker Studio. I hope you will enjoy this course and wish you a lot of knowledge.